So for the first set of questions on week 4's homework, the one that was labeled for Monday, the first set of instructions says to name each polynomial by degree and number of terms. So I'm going to go ahead and do problem number 4. And first off, by degree. So, let's do number of terms first because that helps to kind of, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 terms. 5 terms. And you can tell the terms because terms are separated by subtraction or addition. And now, to determine the degree, what I need to do is I need to figure out for each term, what's the highest exponent of a variable, right? So here, the highest exponent is 6. Here it's 5, here it's 4, here it's 2. And here, this doesn't have a variable. So basically you're asking yourself, how many factors of variables do I have? Here I have 6 factors, here I have 5, here I have 4, here I have 2, and here I have none, 0, right? And the degree is the one that's highest. So a polynomial is defined by the highest number. That's the answer to the question. So the degree is 6. And there's no special name for that, for a 6-degree polynomial. So it's just degree is 6 with 5 terms. Now we're going to go back down. So you can do the rest, 1 through 9. And on the critical thinking, I really just want to see your thinking process. So don't leave that blank because you're not sure about what to do on it. I want to see your thinking process on it, whatever your answer is. So on 10 through 15, this is simplify each expression. And if you notice, we have a binomial, a 2-term polynomial added to a 2-term polynomial. Here we have a binomial, 2 terms, being subtracting another binomial. That's 2 terms, right? Here it's trinomial, 3 terms, being added to a trinomial. So 10 through 15, we're just subtracting and adding polynomials together. So I'm going to go ahead and do 14 as the example problem since it has addition and subtraction, so you can see both of those happening. And then you do the rest, 10 through 15, on your own. So what I'm looking for when I'm adding, I'm just combining things. That's what adding means. Combine things that are the same, right? So I need to look, so I'm going to just focus for now on these 2 that are being added together. Adding just means combining. So here I've got an m to the 4th. I've got 13 of those, right? That's what that number in front means, 13 m to the 4th. Do I have any more m to the 4th? Yes, I do actually. I have this one right here. So this is 13m to the 4th, and I can think of this as a negative 2m to the 4th, right? Because you can change subtraction to addition of the opposite. So I want to combine 13m to the 4th with negative 2m to the 4th. So that means I now have 11m to the 4th, right? And now I'm going to look here and see I've got a 2, and that's just a 1s, right? I have 2 1s. And here, this is another like term. It's another 2 1s. So when I combine 2 and 2, that's 4. And then if I notice, I don't have anything to combine with that, but I still need to bring it down, m to the 4th n squared, right? So that's what happened when I added those 2 together. But now I'm still subtracting this negative 13m squared into the 3rd plus 5m to the 4th. And the thing about subtracting is you need to be careful because you're subtracting everything in here. You're not just subtracting the first term. You're subtracting everything. So you need to think of it like that. So first thing, I need to again look for like terms. So here I've got m to the 4th and another m to the 4th over here. So I've got 11m to the 4th, but this time it's minus 5m to the 4th. So 11 minus 5, if I have 11 of these and I take away 5 of these, that leaves 6 of them. So I have 6m to the 4th left. There's nothing to combine the 4's with over here, so I have plus 4. Here, m to the 4th n squared, there's nothing over here that's like that too, because they need to have the same bases and exponents. So that's not the same. So I'm just going to bring m to the 4th n squared down. And so now the big thing is that I need to subtract a negative 13m squared into the third. And subtracting a negative is the same thing as adding a positive. So it's like I have none of them over here and then I'm taking away a negative. So I end up with positive 13m squared into the third. So this is my final answer. I've combined all the like terms that I can. So I'm done with that.